It was a proud day for Egypt. The Minister of Higher Education and Scientific Research, Khaled Abdel Ghaffar, announced that the first locally developed COVID-19 vaccine is now entering its final phase of testing. CoviVax sought the Egyptian drug authorities' approval to commence human clinical trials.
Egypt has never had experience in creating vaccines or even worked on human-related vaccines. We have many successes in veterinary vaccines, but not for humans. When the Egyptian president gave us the directive to work on a COVID-19 vaccine, he showed confidence in our Egyptian scientists and promised to support our attempts by all means.
The new vaccine must pass through 3 different phases of human trials before getting approval for emergency use. It will be first tested on a limited number of people, from 300 up to 800, to prove its safety.
Once we prove that these vaccines are safe in a small number of healthy volunteers, we can move into phase 2, which includes a higher number. You are trying to prove whether it's effective or non-effective. Once you've proven that it is effective and it did not produce any side effects in people that do have other complications, once you've proven this, then you get the release and it's available. So each phase normally takes between 2 to 3 months.
That should make Egypt's first developed human vaccine available before September next year.
The first advantage is that you don't wait for the other countries to supply you or to give you their production of vaccines or not. The second is you now have the know-how of how to produce a vaccine. The vaccine war has started and it won't disappear in the foreseeable future. So we have to have the ability to produce our own vaccine that is isolated, cultured from the vaccine, from the virus that is available in our country.
The government began research to produce COVID-19 vaccines in March 2020. Besides CoviVax, the Minister of Scientific Research says another COVID-19 vaccine will enter human trials within the next few days. Egypt has already begun manufacturing COVID-19 vaccines domestically in collaboration with the Chinese pharmaceutical Sinovac. The country is no longer challenged to cover its domestic needs. Developing Egyptian vaccines, however, is a great milestone for scientific research in the region that will help feed the demand in the Middle East and Africa.